Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today we'll be showing you the property 4244 Alice Street in Edgewater, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with a 2-car garage, built in 2025. And let's take a look. So you have a nice big open floor plan, granite countertops with an island, or kitchen with an island. Plenty of space for bar stools down here. Walk-in pantry. Here's the master bedroom. You have a walk-in closet. Stand-up shower in the master bathroom. You have 2 sinks here with its own private toilet area. Linen closet. So that is something that I noticed about this property. It does have a lot of extra storage space, a lot of closets. There's some in the entrance. There's a linen closet by the front door. A linen closet in this bathroom. There's also another, what would that be, like a coat closet. Whenever somebody comes in, you know, they could put their shoes or coats here. Linen closet over here as well. Inside utility room with washer and dryers. 2-car garage. Here's your 3rd bedroom. Another cool feature about the property is that it's already ready with shutters. The shutters are in the garage, and if a storm is coming, you have a way to protect your windows. So it's all set up for you to be able to easily add the shutters and easily remove them. You can see here. Open patio in the back. And you have a nice lake view back here as well. Hopefully you like this video. And again, this is 4244 Alice Street in Edgewater, Florida. Thank you.